Theta United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The really current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $18,423,801 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization sort of is buy and buy esteemed at 79 cents. Bears control Theta's kind of current cost activities in a quite large manner. 28 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these oftentimes for the most part clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What generally is especially transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Explicitly is Theta a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Theta specialized examination, certainly let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The sort of all-out exchanging volume really remains at $26,292,611,763 in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, especially further appearance. How yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Theta specialized investigation, truly let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they generally thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%. Exhibiting that Theta organization certainly is buy and buy esteemed at 79 cents. Bears control Theta's ongoing cost activities, which generally is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, which in a real sense shows that Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, which sort of is very huge. BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB, generally is up by 0.08 and right now exchanging at $241.76, which certainly is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very huge way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a descending heading for in every practical sense, momentary in an unobtrusive way. Right now, an especially broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, kind of additional appearance. How yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Theta specialized investigation, generally let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing that Theta organization backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route in an unobtrusive manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more really dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors by and large move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So 28 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time, especially clarified pressing issues. Facts. What especially is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, in every way that really matters? Is Theta a for the most part wise venture, which truly is very huge? Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, certainly is at 79 cents, down 2.25% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 3.74% throughout the week, showing how in every practical sense, current exchanging volume of Theta organization is at $18,423,801, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is $18,423,801.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $785,551,362 United States dollars. So support especially is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further, in an especially significant manner. There sort of are very nearly 1 billion truly are available for use out of 1 billion, fundamentally further appearance how Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they especially thought. Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for 28 July 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Theta organization by and large is as of now esteemed at 79 cents, bears control Thetas in every practical sense, current cost activities, or so they really thought. We utilize relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Theta network. The Theta United States dollar moving commonly normal assembly and disparity, MACD, pointer, essentially is showing a sort of momentary sort of sell, certainly signal, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which implies in a real sense bears certainly are ruling on the lookout, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29, and especially is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone, while featuring huge negative strength, showing how Theta organization fundamentally is by esteemed at 79 cents. Bears control Theta's certainly current cost activities, or so they especially thought. The Theta organization especially